And yeah, fasting is one of the ways. There may be other ways. For example, there is a relationship between bile and cortisol that goes both ways. So actually, bile acids, they do promote cortisol production. So it's like they influence both ways. So one could start maybe with a bile acid supplement to kind of jumpstart that. If fasting is a little bit too extreme, like you wouldn't start with that. And I tried to start with fasting for SIBO and just like couldn't do it because I was low on cortisol, and probably you need cortisol to actually maintain your blood sugar. If you don't have that, then you can't go through with fasting. And another thing that I discovered just by looking through literature is that there is this supplement berberine. Maybe you heard about it. It's becoming popular right now for various metabolic reasons. Berberine is also improving this whole system. It could improve gut health and improve bile recycling, and possibly, I don't know if it does something for cortisol, but berberine could also be a good starting point.
Interesting. Tetyana, you're the gift that keeps on giving. Anything else you want to add in regards to fasting and gut health?
Well, if people need encouragement, they can always look at my YouTube channel where I put the information about it as I discover new studies that help me optimize my own fasting regimen, because, I'm not necessarily doing it perfectly. I'm still discovering. Maybe there are this nuance and that nuance that needs to be adjusted. And so that's where they can find that extra information.
Thanks for watching this video, and you can find the full-length podcast episode here on this channel, or you can head over to Apple Podcast or Spotify, and don't forget to like this video.